One of the best things you can do with DALL3 is design these amazing logos. Look at these awesome logos I designed for one of my new startups or new businesses. It took less than 30 seconds. Before we jump into the demo, and I'll show you a couple of different ways you can design logos like this. Make sure you like and share this video so more people can see this. So I'm going to show you a couple of different prompts that I used, and you can use these too. And also a way where you don't even have to think of prompt on your own. So I'll show you that too. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. So how do you access DALL3? Let me actually show you all the steps. So step number one is going to be go to the chat, open AI. That's going to be the step number one. And then let me make sure when you bring up a new chat, let's resize this. You are going to go to the GPT-4 and then make sure you enable DALL3, because that's where you're able to generate images, in my opinion, like 10 times better than Midjourney. That's like the new and powerful feature that they have launched recently, DALL3. Now, let me show you some of these logo designs that I did. So here's a simple prompt I used. If I make it bigger, you might be able to see it more better. A logo for an accounting firm, calculator theme, and then vector. That's it. Simple prompt. I didn't add anything complicated. And then look at it, generated 4 different images. Here's 1, 2, 3, and 4, and these are awesome. And then it also has some more description here. So that's one idea. But let's say you also know the name of your business. So if you notice in this example number 1, I didn't have name of the business. But let's look at example number 2. In this, I said, okay, give me a logo for a social media consulting company called AM Digital, right? That's the name. Vector blue orange theme. So this is another short prompt. And look at this. If you see, it is using those words A and M. I love this one. AM Digital. It kind of messed up the spelling of the digital. I can regenerate this. AM Digital. This is the perfect spelling. This is also really, really good. So you can you can write your prompt any way you want. You can mention the name, the color theme. So in this example, I also told it to use blue and orange theme. And the other one, I didn't give the name, I didn't give any theme. It just kind of came up with these on its own. Now, what if you're like me and you struggle with coming up with, you're like, hey, I don't know what type of prompts I should use to design my logo, right? I don't even know how to come up with a prompt, simple prompt. So to fix that, here's what you can do. You can make a 2-step process. In step number 1, and I'll show you what I did, and you're probably gonna laugh at me, but this is very, very powerful. So let me refresh this so we can actually see everything. I actually asked, this is awesome. I asked ChatGPT, and I opened like a new chat, and I asked ChatGPT, hey, I want to create a logo for my new social media consulting company. Give me 5 different prompt templates I can use with DALL3. So I'm asking GPT-4 to give me prompt for my logo in step number 1. Then it give me these ideas here. Generate a text-based logo for a social media consulting company. You can read through this. Here it create a text-based logo, create a logo, and then its name, it's giving using the name of the company, integrate elements that convey customization. It's adding all the details that you need, and obviously you can customize these. So in step number 1, I asked it to generate some templates, then I copy this. So let's say if I like this, I'm going to copy this, and now let's go to the DALL3, and now look at the first one I generated. I just pasted the template of prompt that it gave me. Here's the same. By the way, I can modify. If I don't like this digital prowess, I can use AM Digital, whatever the name of my business is. And then it's using styled in modern, sleek font with colors like navy blue and silver. If I want blue and orange, I can do that. So the prompt it gives you, you're able to modify, change it. But based on this prompt, here are awesome logos that I got. How powerful this is. So in this example, 2-step process. Step number 1, I asked GPT-4 to give me the logo prompt, and then I went to DALL3 and I asked Dalle3 to create the logo for me. So you can come up with the prompt on your own, on the fly, like these examples, or you can have GPT-4 give you some powerful prompt ideas and then play with those prompts. But I think the future of logo design is forever changed because of Dalle3, thanks to GPT-4. By the way, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Before you go, like and share this video so more people can see this, and I'll see you in this next video. Bye for now.